CSMA, carrier sense multiple access. Okay. Then in carrier sense multiple access, there are three techniques of persistence which are called as a persistence methods. In that we have seen three protocols. One is non-persistent CSMA, one persistent CSMA, and P persistent CSMA. So here in non-persistent CSMA, what happened? Here the station sends the channel. If it is free, then it transmit the frame. If it is busy, then it wait randomly. Okay. In one persistent CSMA, here the probability is 1. The station continuously sends the channel. Once it get free, channel is get free, it is sensed by station, it immediately transmit the frame without considering whether other station is also transmitting or not. It is called as a one persistent. Then in P persistent, the station continuously sends the channel. Okay. If it is busy, then again it continuously sends the channel. Once the channel is free, then instead of transmitting a frame, it wait for a particular time slot. It wait for a particular time slot. Okay. And see here, this one, last one. It wait for a particular time slot. If the probability of channel free is maximum, then it transmit the frame. If the probability is less, again it wait. Then also, if the channel is busy, then it get back off. And if the channel get free, then it transmit it. That's why P persistent is more effective as compared to, means in terms of collision. In case of one persistent and non-persistent, the collision is more. In P persistent, collision is less, but time requirement is more. Okay. So this is about the persistence method in CSMA. Okay. Now we will see the next important part, that is the CSMA with collision detection, CSMA CD. Write the title, carrier sense multiple access with collision detection. Carrier sense multiple access with collision detection, CSMA CD. So what happened in plain CSMA, and we have seen the Aloha, pure Aloha and slotted Aloha techniques. What happened? In both cases, collision is occur. Yes or no? So in both CSMA and Aloha schemes, collision involve entire frame transition. Okay. If the station can determine whether a collision is taking place, then amount of the wasted bandwidth can be reduced. Yes or no? If the station sense collision is occur, then instead of transmitting a frame, it get terminated. The station can terminate the transmission. Okay. That's why the more collision probability is get reduced. Okay. So this is the advantage of CSMA CD. So in CSMA CD, it detect the collision. At that time, the station terminate its transmission immediately. That's why it is called as a CSMA CD. Okay. So you can write in both CSMA and Aloha schemes, collision occurs during frame transmissions. if a station determines collision is taking place, if the station determine collision is taking place, the amount of wasted bandwidth can be reduced by terminating the transmission when a collision is detected. This approach is called CSMA-CD. This approach is called CSMA-CD. Next paragraph. CSMA-CD is the most commonly used protocol for LANs. This specification were jointly developed by Intel, Xerox, and Digital Equipment Corporation. Intel, Xerox, and Digital Equipment Corporation. Full stop. Next line. This network is called as Ethernet. Make underline, double underline on Ethernet. Make underline for Ethernet. Next line. The IEEE 802.3. The IEEE 802.3 CSMA-CD standard for LAN is based on Ethernet specification. Okay, so the summary of this: when the collision detected by a station, it terminates its transmission. Because of that, the bandwidth means wasted bandwidth can be reduced. And this approach is called as a CSMA-CD. Carrier sends multiple access with collision detection. When collision is detected, station sends it, terminate its transmission. Because of that, the wasted bandwidth get reduced. Okay, and this CSMA-CD protocol is applicable for LAN. Keep in mind, it is oral question. It is applicable for LAN. Then it is also means this network is called as Ethernet. It is also called as Ethernet, and IEEE 802.3 CSMA steady standard is used for the LAN. Keep in mind all these points. These are very important points. Now, we will see the process flow chart, how the process takes place in CSMA CD. One second.